Alright, so today on our 08 F250 Super Duty, we run the wires back here to the bed to put our air compressor back in the truck that we took out the other truck. Let me grab the air compressor. This is the air compressor right here that was on my 08 Dodge Ram. I'm sorry, my 04 Dodge Ram 1500. This was for my horns, my train horns. But it was actually put on there for my train horns. But we used it when we got the camper. We used it for air supply to the camper, the truck, or whatever. So now that we're gonna do a lot of camping, I'm gonna install this back on my Ford. And I got the wires run out right here that runs from the 4 auxiliary switches that's in there on the dash. This is hooked up to number 2 auxiliary. Each one of them switches are 12-volt switches. You might hook it up, you might get 12.9, 12.19, something out of it, but you'll have less than 13, which is fine, it won't hurt it. So we got a power run back here. I'm gonna get this wired up, get it mounted down and everything, and I'll get back with you on the finished product.
The driveway.
Meanwhile, on this side of the driveway, not only are we working on the Ford, we're also working on our Blackstone. We're getting ready to throw some chopped up bacon up there. We got us some taters. We got us some chopped up onions, some bell peppers. We're gonna make us some cheesy fries. So y'all stick around for it.
Yep.
All right, so now that our bacon is all nice and crispy and stuff like that, I got the oil from the bacon on there. We're gonna throw these babies on there. We got some potatoes. Everybody loves potatoes. They can throw right on the bacon. Probably 20-25 minutes to cook. Then when they get done, then that's when we're gonna do our onions. We'll do our onions and our bell pepper. This time we use a red bell pepper. It's just mainly for color. A little bit sweeter. But I'll get back with you on the next step. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we've got our potatoes 90% done. So we just took them and we covered them up real good. We struck some water up underneath them. Some steam. I seen another guy do this on a video. What we're gonna do, give me some oil over here. We're gonna put our onions and our red bell pepper up here and get them softening up some. And then we'll mix them all together. Watch it. Watch, easy killing. All right. A little double action right there. So look, we got some of this little sea salt, some smoked pepper. Just a touch. We don't take a whole lot of that at all. We want to do some, a little more black pepper.
That other one is just smoked salt, so it's good.
That's my beautiful assistant Kim back there, you hear in the background. So we're gonna let these sit here and tender up. By the time these tender up, yeah, we'll be ready to mix them all up. We're gonna throw some cheese in there. So I can close the grill, the lid on mine and stuff like that. We're gonna throw some cheese in here. We'll lay everything back out flat. Mix it all up. Cover it with cheese. Close the lid, let it melt down. We'll show you what happens next. Now our vegetables and stuff, they're good and soft. They're ready to mix in. So we're gonna take a lid off. My potatoes. Oh my God, them are so tender. Wow. Yeah, them babies there are ready. Now we're gonna mix all of this up. And then we're gonna flatten it out. Then we're gonna put a bunch of cheddar cheese on top of it. And let it melt. Then we're gonna take it off and eat like hungry. Got some mild cheddar. Happy Farms. Come from Happy Cows. Alright. Alright, so if y'all getting as hungry as I am, here's what we're dealing with. What do you think?
We're taking a commercial break. We'll be right back.
Alright, and we're back. So we're gonna go ahead and put the connectors on there. We're gonna slide up and connect it up there. We'll wire it up first. We've got our connectors on. Use the heat shrink because it keeps it watertight. You got to make sure you got the right size. That's the wrong size. That. We put it on there, then we're going to put the wire in here. So, just cramp it. Some people call it crimping. Then we're going to slide over it like that. We'll take our little handy dandy and then we're going to heat it. Once you heat it, all it's going to do, it's going to melt down. It's going to keep it watertight. Nothing can get in it. It's just, in the long run, it will pay off for itself. Trust me. Like that right there. Makes everything look nice and pretty. So when we get this done, the air compressor right now is full of air. I wanted to do that so it wouldn't have to run so long when I first tried it out. So I'm just going to open the drain valve some, or either just put something in the spot where I put my, I'm gonna hook my air hose up at, and just let some of the air come out of it until it comes on. When I was in Florida, my pressure switch went bad, so what I done, went and bought another one. The other one I had in there was 145 psi cutoff switch. This one is 175. So the horns are a lot more clear, a lot more louder. They're just freaking awesome, man. So we got it. Everything's wired up. So what we want to do, we're going to mount it down, and then we're going to take our duct and we're going to put this wire in there as much as we can, and we'll seal this up. So that way it just helps with the wire. It's more protection on the wire. Give and take. That's a wrap, people.